What are you doing?
For building drift cars, this is your best friend. That's the instructions you get with this kit.
Yeah, just FYI.
Yeah.
FYI. It is obviously dark now, and it's absolutely full moon. That's scary. Means and these are 19s. The Brimbos are the problem. They're just too big, which is a good problem. Oh, daggone, he hit the wall. Ow. All right, guys. So, kind of got a little treat for you today. A buddy of mine has like a 2014, or it's a Mustang, and it's a V6 supercharged. It's pretty neat. Basically our buddy, he's drifting it and he wants to put an angle kit on it, and he wants me to help. And I thought, what better than to film the whole process, because there's already a bazillion of them out there. Got us, what year is this?
2015.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
That's what I said to the guys. So 2015, it's a V6 supercharged, and this thing actually freaking rips. So just do a little once over, see if the screen picks up all the nicks and crannies of the sun from all the burnage. But he's already got everything. He's hydro brake. He already said he welded the rear diff and all that jazz. So, and poly bushings. So this is what we're gonna be messing with today. We're gonna be taking those stock boys off and putting some coilovers on there, and I'm learning just as much as he is, because I've never touched one of these cars. This car is too nice for me to even touch, let alone own. Here's the parts that he's got. God, I don't even know what these are called, but they're super duper fancy. Yeah.
The kit almost installed, and Justin Pollock sent me the wrong lower control arm bolts for it.
Oh, nice.
And I chose to be kind of petty and wait for him to send me new ones instead of buying more.
Oh, dang. Alright, so it's just that boy in there, that boy up there, and that boy. Yeah, doesn't look too bad. And it's absolutely full moon. That's scary. Working on it for about an hour now. So we went ahead and took everything off, and the way this kit is made, he uses washers, and he said that you want everything pushed forward as far as you can. So what we did was we didn't put a washer in here, so it's all the way forward, and then we ended up having to put a thick boy right there, and it's like a little bit of resistance, but not like too bad. These were made because the threads don't actually go all the way through, because this is this was the left-handed thread and this is a right-handed thread, and the threads stop like right here, and we need the threads to stop like right there. So in order to gain that little bit, we're cutting a 3/4 of an inch off of here. So just to update you guys on what we're doing, we got the hum joints all snugged up. We got the little dilly-majiggers, I'm not sure what you call them. He's gonna have a stancy boy.
Would you just look at it?
Just look at it.
And that's it. Yep.
God, what I'm hitting. You can't fit your sneaker in there. Coilovers that have adjustable, like infinite adjust. You see how much gap we have in here now? Literally spent about 20 minutes screwing around with those. We dropped both sides down, and then we screwed the tops up to accomplish this. Basically, it was that close before, like from here to here, and we have this much thread. That's what I mean by spend your money right, spin it once, so that you don't have to worry like he was about 5 minutes ago about this tire even fitting.
Are we clear?
There's 3 inches. Talking about fitment. Now this is fitment. This is what your boot in there. Like,
Working in
literally.
the
It's actually. Ooh.
Ah!
Yeah, here's back there and here's up here.
We gotta cut everything.
Okay, it's literally 2 seconds later. He said that the bumper comes off real easy. I think. It's so naked. What are you doing?
For building drift cars, this is your best friend.
Oh my lord. So we're gonna actually take a Crescent with us and a vice grip, and we're gonna go on its maiden voyage.
Yeah, we're gonna send it.
We're gonna listen to noises, and I'll probably jump out and tighten everything as we hear it. We're gonna go get some pizza.
Yeah, we're gonna send it.
Pizza run. Did you grab the Crescents?
No.
I'll go get them.
Fuck.
Well, we don't hear any clunking and banging and cracking, so
We're rolling.
we're rolling. We gotta get this pizza up. Oh shit, it's almost 7 o'clock. Oh no. Wow. Hot dog. When are they close? 9?
10.
Oh damn. Is that late?
Yeah.
That's the pasta, boys. Well, she made it.
She did.
Oh. Now he said Park Ave. Oh, shit. It's just a matter of time until we hear one clunk, and when we hear that one clunk, we know we did our job right.
Yes. And if parts come off, we know we did it really right.
Well, yep, got a couple of runs in it at Park Ave, and he got a little rowdy and ended up breaking the rear diff. I'm not sure why it's not moving at all, because it must have just sheared, just completely shattered the gearing in it. Welded it up tomorrow and get him going again, so that's it. We'll try to get this thing home now. Well, there she goes, boys. Daggone. Well, guys, that's it for this episode. We got it done. Got everything done. Just the angle kit. It's been fun, but it ain't been real fun for dirt. God bless. Hopefully he gets it going. If he needs any help, he knows I'll definitely help him. So.
Cheers every single day.
Woo!